And welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I have many years experience with different softwares and tools. In this video with Affinity, I'm going to show you how to switch between different studios. So Affinity has different studios available. So up here you can see the vector, the pixel, the layout, slice, Canva AI, retouching, and more. If I put my cursor, you can see the vector studio shortcut is F2 in my keyboard. So the pixel is F3, layout is F4, slice is F5, Canva AI is F6, retouching is F7. If I click here, so you can see more studios like color grading, typography, and compositing. And if I click here on Studio Manager, so from here I can turn off the studio if I don't want to see the vector. You can see the pixel, layout, slice, Canva AI, retouching, color grading, typography, and compositing. And if I want to create my own studio, so simple, I can just click here to create my own studio. Now I can give it a name, my studio. You can choose from the studios available in the list, and you can choose a background and icons, and show fill content as fill and stroke. You can turn it off and click on create. Now if I click here to see my studio, you can see right here it is available. So this is how we can switch between different studios in Affinity, and we can create our own studio. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.